One of the famous Korean dishes, bibimbap. Bibi means mix and bap means rice. Mmm, sounds good, doesn't it? The recipe is very simple. I'll show you how to make it. We start by boiling water, and at the same time we can prepare the garlic. Use 5 cloves of garlic, just roughly chopped. I use oyster mushroom, or you can use any mushroom you like. Cut it in half if it's too big to make it into bite size. Next is my favorite veggies. Yes, it's carrot. I'm so lazy to peel the carrot. So I just cut the skin, use the knives like this. Simply just slice the carrot really thin and julienne carrot. Next ingredients is cabbage. Actually this is an optional. Cabbage is not common in bibimbap. For the protein, I'm using pork mince. You can change it to any other meat you like. And if you are vegetarian, you can change it into tofu. I just sauteed the pork with a little bit of oil until it's cooked. Don't forget salt and pepper and leave it aside. On the other pan, I saute a chop of garlic and oyster mushroom. Give a pinch of salt and pepper, stir well, leave it aside. With the same pan, I sauteed julienne carrot. Don't forget salt and pepper. When my water is boiled, I blanch a handful of beansprout. I like to keep it a little crunchy, so don't blanch it too long. And next one is cabbage. Yes, a tiny side of egg is needed to make it this creamy. While I'm waiting for my egg, the cabbage should be done nice and still crisp. For the sauce, I'm using 50 grams of gochujang, 20 grams of soy sauce, and 5 grams of sugar. Mix it well and taste it. Last, the most important ingredient is steamed rice. Would not be a bibimbap without rice. And plate of veggies that I cooked before on top of the rice. I am also using a fresh rocket. This is totally optional. Or you can even use a spinach or add kimchi. And lastly, a drizzle of sesame oil and sesame seed to make it perfect. Oh yes, don't forget to mix it before you eat it. Enjoy! I hope you like it. Thanks.